Issues related to istihāzi 132 blood that comes from a woman for less than 3 days or more than 10 days is not menstrual blood. IT is called istihāzi blood. Blood from a pregnant woman is also not menstrual blood. IT is also istihāzah. According to Imam MΑLIK and Imam SHΑFI'IS, pregnant women can also have their periods. Blood that comes before birth is considered menstrual blood. However, according to the Shafi'is, blood that comes after the child is fully born is postnatal blood. Blood that comes before this and blood that comes with the child is not postnatal blood. If the woman is menstruating, this blood is menstrual blood. If she is not menstruating, it is postpartum blood. According to the Hanbalis, blood that comes out with childbirth and blood that comes 2 or 3 days before childbirth as a sign of labor pains is considered postpartum blood. 133. Blood called istihāzi is like blood from other organs. Such blood only breaks wudu. If IT continues, IT is considered a disability, and the rules applicable to those with disabilities apply to such cases. A woman considered to have such a condition is not exempt from the obligation to pray. She cannot postpone her fast. Having sexual relations with her is not forbidden. 134. Blood from girls who have not yet reached the age of 9 is considered istihāzi. IT is rare for children of this age to bleed. There is no ruling for what is rare. 135. If a woman has reached the age of menopause, has ceased menstruating, and has been ruled to be menopausal, any blood that comes after, that is istihāzi blood. For example, if a woman who has reached the age of 70 experiences blooding, this is considered istihāzi blood. According to another opinion, if this woman experiences flowing blood as she did before, her menstruation has returned. However, if she experiences only a small amount of bleeding, IT is not considered a menstrual period.